our key. Yeah, your key. This is not
It's
radio.
open,
This is
so
a
you're
test.
just pretending. So that just goes in there and opens that. So
Yeah,
that's a
right.
lot.
All right, let's see this one work.
You open it.
Okay.
No,
We're not.
Yes, turn it over.
Not very good, are we?
That's it. Now open it up. So in there you've got two keys, but one has two on it. So the little tiddly one on that set, you have to first open both these red levers with that for whichever door you want to open. And that key is universal, it works for both. And you lift, that's it, and you lift it up.
Yeah.
And then once you've and you can do the same with that door if you want them both open.
Don't you have to lift it right back?
A little bit more. Right, a little bit more.
And then you've got a left and a right large key. So you've got that key and you've got this key. One opens the left and one opens the right.
So why do we not take this key off and put these two together? Because this one goes in. Dentro. Dentro. Y quita las llaves. Y ahora el pequeño. Aquí. Okay. No, otro. The second key. Et voilà.
Muy perfecto.